Looking for an authentic Asian fusion dining experience? Look no further.
Àdúrà àgbà o, owó yẹn á wà o, bust down biza láwà o, ọmọ ológo dáyà o.
Zigga, baby.
Give me butterflies, got me falling in the deep end of your disguise. Sparked with the honey lies, so I feel this might be my goodbye. I don't need reparations, boy, bye. Counting blessings by the dozen, ooh, I'm God's child. Took was dedication to make me fly. Not a minute could be wasted, we on God's time. See the type to leave me confused, in a maze, trapped in your room. Many tried to cleanse me of you, but my heart.
Hello.
Got me falling in the deep end of your disguise. With the honey lies, so I feel this might be my You drive too fast, my burning crash, taking the back. I'm done with that. I see the type to leave me confused, in a maze, trapped in your rules. Many tried to cleanse me of you, but my heart, you give me butterflies, got me falling in the deep end of your disguise. Sparked with the honey lies, so I feel this might be my goodbye.
Okay. Thank you. Just for a thrill, you change the sunshine
and just for a thrill, you fill my heart with so much pain. To me you were my pride and joy.
We make this with peach and rice. One shot make 350 rupees with alcohol.
With alcohol.
Oh, but to you, I was merely a toy, a plaything, a plaything, a plaything that you could toss around and win and just for a thrill, a thrill, a thrill.
Made from Japan.
You
Made in Japan.
made my life, made my life one sad song, and just for a thrill, you took me by the hand and you.
Alright, thank you so much for coming. So my name is Wayan, I'm from Bali, Indonesia. I will be the chef today and I will cook for you tonight. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, do it now.
Magic abroad in the air, there were angels flying at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, and I sang Berkeley Square. The moonlight lingered over London town. For puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world was upside down. Streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Was upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
It's a big stick.
In the sand,
Some secret garlic. Secret garlic, yes. Nobody knows. How to make it?
Yeah.
Cuidando la plaza con mi cuerno voy, soy el castor para accionar bien firme, cuidando siempre a mi carnal, bien puesto pa'l topón. Recuerdo a mi padre lo que dijo él, cuídate bien, aquí ando yo, y llevo consejos que me dio el Señor, afirma soy castor. Llevo tiempo jalando aquí en la maña, mi San Judas me protege de malas, el rifle bien terciado aquí lo tengo, para el mugroso mandarlo al infierno. Un tiempo también estuve anexado, pero eso para mí quedó olvidado. Hoy ando con la frente siempre en alto, por la patiza yo estoy respaldado. Y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no. Soy hermano del Paquito, y eso téngalo bien claro. Aquí tenemos palabra y somos bien respetados. La placita es Néctar Pato, yo la cuido y la protejo. Tengan cuidado conmigo porque yo soy bien violento. Cuidando la plaza con mi cuerno voy, soy el castor para accionar bien firme, cuidando siempre a mi carnal, bien puesto pa'l topón. Recuerdo a mi padre lo que dijo él, cuídate bien, aquí ando yo, y llevo consejos que me dio el Señor, afirma soy castor. Con mi corta fajada por donde ando, limpiando mi terreno de contrarios, en control y en progreso con mi radio, patrullando sin miedo me la paso.
That's so sweet. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun.
Por mi familia respondo, me cuida un ángel del cielo, a mi padre lo recuerdo y en el corazón lo llevo. Aquí yo estaré con ellos, porque no voy a rendirme, yo soy un hombre de guerra, me defiendo con fusiles. Y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no. Y aquí ya quedó la cumbia del castor, pa' que la pongan pa' bailar, pa' que suene por toda la ciudad y también por las brechas. Cuento con apoyo de mis hermanas, que aquí estoy yo pa' cuidarlas. Mi carnal borrega anda en la orilla del río, lo verán. Y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no. Y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no, y cómo no.
available for dessert.
I want 29 millions for it.
Shit, I want more than that. Chasing these motherfucking racks. Man, I don't never relax. Hey, do you see a reflection when you look at me? Cause I'm covered in glass. Feel like I'm free ballin', give me some pants. They say I've been showing my ass. Hey, I'm tryna hit me a jackpot. Fuck you, go buy me a scratch off. If I don't win it, it's all good. I'ma go give me some bags off. Made me a play, count on my money, then skirt.
The chicken is sweet, and the rice is sweet.
Everything.
You cook it with sweetness.
Sweetness?
With love.
Do you like it?
Love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Big body whip, I don't know what I'ma get into next on my tags off. I just told Jizzle we rich now, nigga, but he wanna take his damn mask off. And it's free Cotto, nigga. Hit long, live long to my last call. Hit free hot boy too. Hit long, live dog to my last call. Give me a clip, boy, let me get organized. I'm tryna give me some scratch off. Yeah.
You won't be the one falling off the deep end. You can have a friend, lose somebody close, and you can be there when they need it the most. But you won't be the one having trouble sleeping. Somebody loses their somebody every day, but you'll never really know what it's like till you wake up to some real bad news. You'll never really know how it feels till it happens to you. No, you'll never really know what it's like, even if you think you
Got my heart broke when I did the most. When I held you close, it is what it is. Yeah, that I suppose. I drove off the road. She got when I float. These tears got me so. Then lost all my hope. The pain gotta go. With drugs like a boat, I feel like a go. Even though I'm at the bottom slow, I've been stuck here seeing hoes. All this got me feeling love. I don't even know how the fuck I'ma move on. Loving got a coupon. This is just a true story. I'll be 17, but it feels like I'm turning 40. I'll stop saying, what up, shorty? Wiping away my tears, but I'm laying here screaming, how? Took your love away, give it back. Yeah, I need it now. Fall away, falling down, pass the ground. Got the bottle, pass around. Little demon in the gown, so beautiful. I did the most when I held you close. It is what it is, yeah, that I suppose. I drove off the road, she got when I float. These kids got me so, then lost all my hope. The pain gotta go, the drugs like a boat. I feel like a goat, even though I'm at the bottom slow. I've been stuck here seeing hoes, I was gonna feel love. Got my heart broke when I did the most. When I held you close, it is what it is, yeah, that I suppose. I drove off the road, she got when I float.
This might cause an argument after I say this. But last night I called my ex when I was faded. Maybe I'm being too truthful right now, because every time that you play this, it's gonna fill your heart up with hatred. Okay, mind you, I'm the most hated. Talking down on me online, but in real life, you know I'm your favorite. You would've write me, you think you let it be long as some motherfucking yellow pages. Still wouldn't be enough, I won't take it. I used to love you, now I fucking hate you.
I used to buy stilettos and Birkins. I don't know why, cause you wouldn't be here if I was hurting. I tried to erase you out my mind, all things was fine till I closed the curtain. I used to look at you like a god, knowing damn well you an average person. I can't deal when you get blacked out like a thick bedroom curtain. Looking strong on the outside, but the inside of you hurting. Shit got way too complicated, I just want to wash you off like lotion. Do your new man have emotion? I heard he be sipping on green and yellow like he really support Oakland.
When I'm high, I don't like to be social, but for you I did it to get closer. I feel sorry for him, cause I set the bar real high, yeah, I had your coastal. I bossed up on you just like I told you. Months have passed, now I don't even know you. Walking around in this bitch like I own you. Doing everything you ain't supposed to. This might cause an argument after I say this. But last night I caught my ex when I was faded. And maybe I'm being too truthful right now, because every time that you play this, it's gonna fill your heart up with hatred. I know. She saw the pictures of us out in public. She hit me like, was this all just for nothing? Trust me, that was a difficult discussion. I'm at this party, I don't know nobody, and I'm on some shit that is not for consumption. Stop trying to argue and make assumptions. We could be doing something more productive. I say get it church, some TSA clearance. I'ma show you I'm serious.
I get my assistants to handle your errands. Grateful for your parents. When it comes to your law, I'm not sharing. I'ma put you so deep in both take or get rid of that old shit you was wearing. Change your number, your old nigga toast. And I'm obviously doing the most for you, baby girl, cause you deserve it. You keep me calm when I'm nervous. I never second guess making any kind of purchase on you. I treat you like I'm tryna bribe you. Double C's on your visor. You're better looking than a model.
This might cause an argument after I say this. But last night I caught my ex when I was faded. And maybe I'm being too truthful right now, because every time that you play this, it's gonna fill your heart up with hatred. I know.
Sweet. Yes. Sometimes it's sour, sometimes it's sweet. Like this. That's one is already put sugar. No?
Ice cream is very sweet, but the
That's a Mauritian pineapple.
It's
So you get the sweet?
Let me
That's already I put the sugar.
Do it for you.
Faceless man. The man behind the scripts. Nobody's gonna know.
Shaker.
This combination from US.
Oh, US.
Yeah.
The Japan is only like
Only cooking, so not talking. Because I was in Japan also. In Fukuoka, I tried also for the teppanyaki, how the original one. They just cooking.
they prefer the silence like.
Silence is very silent. But in US, I have been also in US in Arkansas about 2 years also. This from US. Combination like this. Joking.
The egg makes sense
intertwined.
there. It makes it more interesting when there's communication.
Yeah, that's why I don't like this quiet like that. I don't like it. So it's better like that. Okay.
Like your yes, true. Okay. A bit more tired than.
Yeah. It's very boring.
Very boring.
Even me also is boring also.
Especially if it's full and nobody's talking a lot.
Yeah. Even pool also. Nobody talking. It's not good. Yeah. That's why. Like last night, it's a pool. All making jokes also.
We could hear them from downstairs.
Yeah.
It's really a fun experience. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I just started my channel, so I'm trying to make some videos, like go to places and
Sometimes also I'm making, but now it's boring also making.
Too much work.
Yes, it's too much working also. Just don't have to edit like this. I just put it on TikTok like that.
But there's money on YouTube when you have a lot of followers.
If you have like the already 1,000 subscribe and then how many 4,000 hours, it will be like the Google will be send you message, send you an email what the income, but it's very difficult to get it. Just try it.
You have to start some.
How are you making this? The soup.
It's okay.
Sadly, we reached the end of our live cooking adventure at Manzu Restaurant's Ocean View Hotel. It was a fun and exciting adventure seeing the food made right in front of us with a friendly chef. We tried the bonsai and the samurai. My taste bud went on a roller coaster of flavors. That was how delicious it tasted. The presentation were on point, as you have seen in the video, and the atmosphere with the lights just makes you look forward to the food more. I would recommend Manzu to anyone wanting to try live cooking here in Mauritius. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel and food content, and leave a comment below if you've ever been to Manzu or have any restaurant recommendation for us in Mauritius. Bye!